Hey guys, Sam from BallerBBQ here. This week I'm making a Chinese style barbecue pork belly, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you know, the COVID-19 lockdown's in progress, and here in New Zealand that means all of the hardware stores are all closed. So I can't get any pellets for my pellet grill. So I've gone and bought a Charmate, a Charmate Lawson 470, which is, it looks like it's modeled off the Weber Smokey Mountain. You'll see it in the video. I'll do a review for it at some point in the future. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first step's making our marinade. Here I've got 1/3 of a cup of hoisin sauce, 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce, about a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Now we just mix that up really good, break up that brown sugar, and now we'll just put that aside and prepare the pork. So here we have a pork belly. This is about 500 grams or about a pound. So you can see this pork belly, there's not a hell of a lot of meat on there. Quite a bit of fat, which is good. But I'm just going to go ahead and trim off the skin. If you want, you can put the skin aside and make up some crackling, but I'm not going to bother today. So once that skin's off, I'm just going to go ahead and remove a little bit of that fat. Mainly just the hard white stuff. All that soft fat under the skin will just render down nicely. So now just go ahead and grab a container or a vacuum bag. Just put your pork in there with the marinade. Vacuum it, or just push out the air if you're using a Ziploc. And now I'm just going to put the pork in the refrigerator for about 3 or 4 hours. So here's the base of my Charmate Lawson. I've got a chimney starter in there, and I think this is the minion method. Not too sure. Just started up a little bit of the coals, and then got all the unburnt coals around the outside of it. So I'm only going to smoke this pork belly for a couple of hours. So there's probably more coal than I need, but it's better that than not having enough. Now I just go ahead and put the top section on. And I've got the temperature probe in there for my Weber iGrill too, just so I can keep an eye on the temperatures. The temperature on this, I'm going to run at 150 degrees or 300 Fahrenheit. Now just put the pork belly straight on the grill. Now just put the lid on. And I'm just going to throw in 3 chunks of hickory straight onto the coals. And you can see there I'm just using the water pan without water, and I've just wrapped it in tin foil, keep it clean. So that's it. We'll come back in a couple of hours. Okay, so this pork belly's been on here for 2 hours now, and that's got a real nice colour to it. It's shrunk quite a bit. But while that's been cooking, I've just made up a braise exactly the same as the marinade. I'm just going to brush this braise on here, and then I'll just close it up for another 10 minutes or so to let it set. And look at that. That looks real good. Real nice color there. That glaze is set. And I'm just gonna slice it up. Quite thin. Nice little smoke ring on there. Give it a taste. That is really good. There's quite a lot of smoke in there, so probably only one chunk of hickory would have been enough, but it is really nice. So I'll just go ahead and continue cutting this up. And I've cooked up some rice as well, so I'll just lay these on top of the rice to serve. Look at that. How good does that look? Alright guys, so that's the Chinese style pork belly done on the Charmate Lawson. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and we'll see you again next time.